Gee, I'm a tree. Now, we've already talked about two intersecting chords, so today we're going to talk about two intersecting secants. Remember, secants are lines that go through the circle twice. So, let's get going. The first thing, when two secants are intersecting, you must remember a special type of formula. Basically, the product of the whole and the exterior of each secant is equal. So let's go over that. DE and AE are my secants in this case. Now, when I'm talking about the whole, I'm talking about from the edge of the circle, goes through the circle again, and goes to the outside. That's our whole. And the exterior is the part that's on the outside. So in this case, DE would be my whole, and BE is my outside. In this case, AE is my whole, and CE is the outside, or the exterior. Now, the formula we need to remember is AE times CE is equal to ED times BE. And that's basically, complicated because every single situation we may have different letters. So I don't want you to remember that formula. What I do want you to remember is whole times exterior, the whole times the outside equals the whole times the outside. Okay? Now, to even make it shorter, when you think of the little piggies and they go, we equals we, and they go home. So, formula is we equals we, whole times exterior equals whole times exterior. Now, let's take a look at some examples. First one, CE is 2, AE is 10, BE is 4. Find the length of ED. So let's work it out. First thing you should do, mark up your diagram. I have CE is 2, AE, the whole thing, is 10, BE is 4. I want to find the length of ED. So since there's no x involved, I'm putting an x over there. Now, remember our formula. Since we have two secants, we're going to use the formula we equals we. Now let's look at the top one. The whole, in this case, is x, so we put x. The exterior is 4. The whole on the bottom one, AE, is 10, and the outside is 2. So therefore we have 4x equals 20. You divide by 4, you get x is equal to 5. Okay? Simple example. Now let's look at a little bit more complicated one. Now, if AC equals 3, that's this part right here. CE equals 6. DE equals 18. I want to find the length of DB. Okay, I'm not going to label anything X yet. You'll understand in a second. But we still have two secants intersecting. So we're going to use the formula we equals we. Now sometimes they try and trick you. If we look at the top one, I have 18. I want to know the exterior. We're actually looking for this part DB, but let's not think about that right now. We can easily find BE. So I'm going to label that X. Now, let's take a look at the bottom. I need the whole and the exterior. I don't have the whole here. I have the inside part and the outside part. But if I add them together, you get the whole thing. So 6 plus 3 is 9. So let's write out the formula. We have 18 is the whole. The exterior is 8 for the top one. The bottom one, the whole is 9. And the exterior is 6. And notice, they are trying to trick you. So do not fall for the trick. Make sure you label your diagram. Now, 18x equals 9 times 6. 18x is going to be equal to 54. And x is equal to 3. Now, everybody thinks, hey, I'm done. If this was a multiple choice question, I can guarantee you that this number will be an answer choice. But is it your correct answer? No. The reason for that is because x is 3, but they're looking for dB. And dB is the inside here. So if I know the whole thing is 18, and the outside part is 3, I'm going to take away 3 from 18. Therefore, I get dB is equal to 15. Okay? If you have any questions, I can answer them tomorrow. Otherwise, I will just talk to you then. Later. Bye.